Okay, here's another hiking trip in Juneau. Today we're gonna hike up to the top of Mount Roberts Tramway instead of taking the tram. So we're gonna go up that way, and then we're gonna try to ride the tram back down. So at least we only have to go one way. See how it works out. Almost to the trailhead whenever the city's gone. Walking over this cool bridge, and then right on the other side, as you can hear, it's that really nice looking waterfall down there. Just starting the trail, I just see a sign here that says tram in 2 miles. Let's see how long that 2 miles actually takes, because it's a lot of uphill from here on out. So we just started this trail maybe 5 minutes ago, and you can already see how high up we are. So that's encouraging, right? Maybe it's not too much farther. No, that sign said 2 miles. A couple things to note. Definitely want these. And also, definitely need these. It's muddy and steep. Give yourself a break. Wear some good hiking shoes, waterproof shoes for sure. And these poles I'm definitely gonna appreciate. Okay, we are 2 hours after leaving the ship. I'm anticipating maybe another 20 minutes or so. But if you listen really carefully, I hear like a dull buzz. It seems pretty consistent. I'm hoping that's the tram. If that's the case, at least we're within earshot of the top. Made it to the top of the tram a little over 2 hours after leaving the ship, which is kind of down there, in there. We're gonna take a well-deserved break, and I'll check out if there's anything else up here worth shooting. There's a nice little 15-minute video inside of the tramway. Talks about the history of the Tlingit people, and it's a good place to rest for 15 minutes after the 2-hour hike up to the mountaintop. I'm gonna go ahead and do this little alpine trail loop that goes around the area, and then I think we're gonna try to go over to Father Brown's Cross. This alpine trail outside of the tramway, you can see it way off in the distance there. But it is quite a view. It is quite a view. And behind me, it's a very different change of scenery. Few photos, I used a lens-mounted prism kit and played around to create these fun shots. Starting in 2024, it's $20 for a one-way ticket down, and there's no receipt shopping or gift shop purchases that'll qualify for that. You just have to buy the ticket. But for what it was a 5-mile hike, and I'd much rather just ride that down in all of 2 minutes than hike for 2.5 hours back to the ship. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.